Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jane and you're welcome to my space. Today's video is going to be a natural hair tutorial on how to achieve a high bun pony. Sorry for the dogs that are barking, they're moving mad, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. This is my go-to look anytime that I have an event and my hair is not in good shape. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. So if you're new here, I'm definitely sure you're not subscribed yet. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. So to start off, I'm going to start with this infused oil from Zico Naturals on Instagram. It's a natural hair care brand, and they focus on natural hair. And yeah, I have this infused oil from them, and that is basically what I'm using to just moisturize my hair because it's been dry. You guys, these cornrows are begging me to take them down, but I haven't had time to do so. But you know what, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna take down the braids, okay? So I literally just oops, what? Okay, we didn't see that coming. But yeah, I literally just take down my braids using the small comb. And when I'm done with this is very simple, you guys. Normally people would say, oh, use water to detangle, use water to loosen your hair, that way you don't get a lot of hair sheds, your hair doesn't fall out a lot. But no, that's not me. I am always using just oil and comb, and that way whenever I comb my hair it actually falls off. And I haven't done this in a while. You guys can see how dirty my hair looks and my cornrows. Please just ignore it, I beg you. Okay, life is happening right now, and this is hair is the least thing I could bother about during this period of my life. If you guys understand. Anywho, I've been natural for about 2 years, more a little bit over 2 years, and this is the length of my hair. And yeah, more shirts as we comb through it. Normally you're supposed to use a wide comb, but for some reason I couldn't find my wide comb and I'm just using what I have. I have to work with what I have, okay? So yeah, let's just keep loosening our hair and see how this goes. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in the process of loosening my hair, I actually like to section them as I take them out because I want a clean workspace. I don't want a situation where I'm just doing my hair and it's everywhere. I can't really see what particular braid I'm trying to tackle. It can be really stressful and messy, so a good workspace does perfectly fine for me. And when I'm done, I just comb everything together using my comb and brush, and just to smoothing out everything and make sure that the hairs are not tangled. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right here. And oh my god, just check out, like, you guys, can you see the volume? Check it out, babies. Like, my god, my hair has really grown, and I literally don't take care of this hair, and it's a very bad habit of mine. Okay, you guys cannot listen to this jam that I'm playing to or dancing to. So yeah, I go in with the Zico Natural butter, hair butter, and you guys, this smells so good and it makes my hair very soft at this point, and it makes it easy for me to work with. So quickly I go ahead and use a spray water bottle on my hair, and then I apply the black gel. You guys, if you're African, then you know what this gel is. I grew up using this gel and I'm still using it now. I suggest that you use eco gel. It's more effective and holds your hair more longer. last longer and whatever. But I really don't like eco gel because it kind of leaves white stains on your hair after a while, but this one doesn't at all. So more reason why I always go for the black gel. And then you definitely need this whole rubber thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a hairband. Choke me, daddy. Kidding, guys. Kidding. Okay, so I tend to brush my hair and slick it down, the way I like, and I use the whole rubber to put my hair together in one bun. And I try to make sure that I like the position where it is, and you need this puffy band as well. And I got this from Ayala Mall one time like that. It was very cheap. You can also order it online if you don't have time to go to the mall. So here I'm trying to section my hair. I'm trying to bring out a little bit of hair in the middle where I'm going to be forming a donut using that puffy band that I just showed you guys. And yeah, it's not really hard. It doesn't have to be smooth. Trust me, just make the bun and that's it. I try to make sure that I comb thoroughly, okay, so that the mouth is very soft and free of tangles, so that it's easier for me to work with. Because if they are not smooth, you would have a hard time trying to work with your hair. So make sure that you brush those out properly or comb them out properly and form the donut. So you definitely need a smaller band to secure your donut so that it doesn't loosen up, you know, as time goes by. So I just use this to tighten it up and secure it more. And yeah, that's what it looks like in between. It's not perfect, guys, it's not perfect. So obviously you need a bobby pin, and bobby pins are just the perfect ones for this particular hairstyle, and in black I would say. So bobby pins are just what I'll be using next. So you see me combing out my hair again. I'm cutting them in sections little by little. Don't do it bulky, because if you go bulky it might not stick. The bobby pin might not be able to hold it. So I take it little by little. I twist the mouth and I loosen it a bit so that the hair is a bit puffy, if you get what I mean. And then I use the bobby pin to hold it down with the puffy band. Basically, try to be careful so you don't choke your scalp. Jane, what is wrong with you? So I repeated the process over and over again, just combing it out and twisting the bottom to secure it properly. And then I would use the bobby pins to seal it into the puffy band, if you guys get what I mean. You have to be careful when you're covering it up, so you get to cover the puffy band as well. If not, it's going to be showing and you don't want that to happen to you. So I repeated the process over and over again, I think about 6 or 7 times. I don't really remember, I didn't count, but yeah, I keep doing that and let's see how it goes. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it's really helping you so far. Are done and my hair looks so beautiful. So I went ahead to add more gel to it, and you can see that I'm trying to slick my hair down and my edges. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're like me that don't know how to do edges. Don't be too hard on yourself, baby. Okay, just do what you can do and that would be fine. So I went ahead to tie my hair down because I wasn't going out immediately, so I just decided to tie my hair down for a while. It's better overnight, but I didn't have all that time, so I did it for literally 2 hours, and I was back with that makeup, you guys. Fam, if you see me dancing through this video, just ignore my stupidity because the music that was playing was super amazing. Time for the review, and here it is, guys. This is so beautiful, and this lasted for about 2 days before I had to retouch it again. And yeah, you have to keep retouching it if you want it to last longer, and that's how cute it looks inside. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and do leave a comment if this helps you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you all, and bye guys.